Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Today I had my Mother's Day card that I had. It was a little bit of a weird size because it was a studio light die that is beautiful die, but measures about 4.5 by 8, and so I didn't have any envelopes that worked for that. So I went ahead and got my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board out and made. If you cut out like a 10 by 10 piece and follow the directions there, I made it out of this cardstock. I had a 12 by 12 piece of nice cardstock. I think it's an older Stampin' Up! One. And I folded it and I thought, well, maybe I'll paint on it. I had my gouache nearby, and so I went ahead and glued my envelope together, and then, as you see here, started just painting some flowers in the corner, and it held up really well on the cardstock. I didn't want to do watercolor, probably wouldn't work very well. You'd have to do something like acrylic or gouache or Posca paint pens or something that would be not only opaque, but not so wet that it would go through the cardstock, if that makes sense. So went ahead and painted some flowers in just a few different colors, made some splatters, and one of them looked weird, so I added some more little tendrils and things. And I like how it turned out. And hey, it's a great for giving a gift that you took the time to paint on the envelope. So now I'm reaching for my Posca pens. The gouache dries really, really quickly, so I was able to go right in with my Posca pens and add some like centers and some just little details here and there, and making sure I'm not laying the envelope down. And I had a little hiccup there, so easy enough to dab off. If you get a moment and you like these videos, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Check out those links below. I do have some affiliate links as well as links to my Etsy and website, and that would be a great support for this artist. But yeah, I hope you try this out. It's a great way to personalize your envelopes, and yeah, hope you like how that worked out. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.